This is
amazing.
This is our little house out here. We building to get away from the rental property to come out here and stuff, you know.
And it's pretty much finished with the walls.
Yeah, the foundation is done, the plastering is done. We just gotta wait till after Ramadan, which is over now. Yep. So the guys will come out Monday and they'll start the roof. Okay. So we want to see if we get this project done before rainy season and stuff.
Okay.
So
Well, the heavy rain don't come anyway.
yeah. So we got another month.
So this is the family house.
Yes.
I hope I have a room here.
This right here is the master bedroom.
Woo! It's massive. Hey!
Yeah, that's nice.
This is the master bedroom?
That's the bathroom here.
Ooh!
Easy bathtub right here, enclosed shower stall, commode, and dual vanity. So this is the and the hot water heater. This is the master bathroom. Jacuzzi bath, enclosed shower, yada yada. Yeah, man. We was with some people the other day, and we was like, in America, you know, hey, right here's just a closet.
Walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet.
Wow.
Is it like this in Kenya?
This is just this lens, you know? This is another lens.
Really?
This is massive.
It's not like this in Kenya?
Did you see my house that I moved from? Everything was that size.
Okay. This right here, when we start doing our live videos or a little small office. So if she's asleep, you know, you can go in there and read a book or do a video or watch TV. Don't bother her and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And so over here is another little semi-office, or you could go out there on that little patio and smoke weed.
Oh, okay. I see.
Hey, I'm retired with all that now.
Can you, like, oh, this is just bedroom area. It's massive.
And this right here is bigger than our house in America. Our house in America.
That we used to have.
You see our little pit bulls. You gotta watch out for the little pit bulls. The straight pit bulls did a mixed breed. This is something Kiki just picked up off the road.
It was almost dying. Yeah, she brought it home and fixed it up. It was a baby then. Yeah.
So this right here is the...
Use this so that the audio is good.
Oh, this is the kitchen here. Whoa!
She said talk with that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Here's Sweet Juicy Mama kitchen now. This is Sweet Juicy Mama kitchen where next time y'all come over, it'll be set up and we can sit in here and eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner. That's her. Greedy Scent.
I ain't greedy. I just
Greedy Scent.
I'm cooking. I need space. I need space and opportunity.
So this is coming into your mic, or his.
This one is coming, so I'll mix the video.
Oh, okay then, no problem. So if you come to the window, see how we strategically put the windows to increase ventilation?
Yeah.
And so out there is the dog houses. You know, we got a bunch of dogs. So we got, it's 3 of them, 5 meters by 5 meter rooms. So we got the straight pit bulls from America. Then we got the mixed breeds, the pit bulls mixed with the Gambian dogs. Then on the far end is the straight Gambian dogs. And so since they breed so much, we sell them. We're in the breeding now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And so you already know which ones are the fastest sellers, the straight pit bulls. Those are like hotcakes. We gave the Arrivals one. If y'all ever saw the Arrivals little grip, they was having some issues, and we like, hey, tighten up on that security. Hey, here's a dog. So anyway, here's the.
It's massive. It's bigger than my house.
Wow. Well, this right here is the living room, dining room combo. This way we want to put a big screen TV so we can watch the Happy Companion and African Tigress YouTube channel right here on this big screen. Thank you. Right there. Yeah. How you gonna do that? Pleasant surprise. Rakita Denise and Nadia room, and they share a bathroom. And then Rastaman Raheem and James Mack, they share a bathroom. And then back here,
I can see mine.
huh? I'll show you that when we go next door. But this is the back.
We're gonna build
Yeah, some apartments next door. Because we want to put the kids out.
it'll be
They don't like cleaning up and stuff. You know, and they like coming in late at night and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Making the dogs bark. So the dogs are coming in like, woof, woof, woof. Somebody's coming through the front gate, you know. So yeah. So anyway, this is our backyard where we'll have our own little personal garden. And plus we'll plant weed back here too. So.
You mean pulling weeds out the grass? Pulling weeds out. That's what you're talking
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it depends on what weed you're talking about.
I don't want your channel.
The comedy show.
What happened?
Yeah, the lady, the little girl from, I don't know if she coming from Kenya.
Who back?
Success.
Oh!
Yes.
No, I think she's from Nigeria, ain't she?
Nigeria.
Sass. No,
And,
what's her name? From Nollywood, Passion. No, not Passion, but
Success, she's Nigerian.
yes.
the
Yeah.
other one, I forgot the other girl name.
Emanuela.
Yes. Was it her? When she said, my uncle has weed.
Yeah, that's her. Yeah, that's her.
Plenty weed.
And the police go out there and stuff.
Yeah, she's like, girl, you foolish.
Yeah. And so anyway, right over here now, outside of our personal compound is where we want to put the kids' apartments. We want to put 4 on the bottom and 4 apartments on the top because we're having so many beautiful visitors like you guys coming in who want to stay out here. We'll be able to rent that apartment to them for, a short period of stay. And so back there, we're building a store. I don't know if it's called that in Kenya, where you like sell stuff out of. Or, Gambia, when they say store, they mean like storage. But in America, when we say store, we mean you go in there, you buy different things.
Oh.
And so,
So yeah, I understand store the Gambian way.
right, yeah. So that's why I was clarifying. But right back there, we got a 30 meter by 30 meter store that's being built, and that's our version of Walmart. You see what I'm saying?
So
You can
how
see.
far does the land go this way?
You see the fence back there? That's where it currently stops. But we're going to expand out because right now we're on about like 12 hectares. After we finish purchasing and connecting it all, it'll be 22 hectares. So we kick out this way, and we kick out this way, and we kick out this way here too. So that's what's going on out here and stuff.
about. Still starstruck seeing all you guys.
Huh?
I'm still starstruck.
Yeah. Oh no, man. You the man, brother. Hey, man. We can't afford to go to Kenya yet. I mean, excuse me, Nigeria and Kenya. You know what I'm saying?
How long did you say, a month?
A month over a month, yeah.
Wow.
I got family there, man.
Really? We can't wait to get out here and travel around Kenya, Tanzania.
I invited you
Burundi.
to Kenya for so long. You never
Yeah.
came.
Yeah. Be careful now. Yeah, be careful. We never came because we're in the stage of development, and if we leave, we're pretty sure the price might slow up even more. You see what I'm saying? So we have to come out and periodically check on the contractors to make sure, they're doing certain things. And so right here, like I said, be our store right here where you can come in and buy all of the Happy Companion and African Tigress merchandise right here and stuff.
Oh, so it's a shop.
It's a shop. Y'all say shop. Yeah, shop. Yeah, exactly.
We say warehouse.
Warehouse or store, but the terminology gets kind of mixed up and stuff. But anyway, yeah, we want to kick out the land that way, and like build a hotel over there, and then over here we want to kick the land out this way and start making our own goods and services. You know how on the African continent we import a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
We want to like reverse that. Is gold in Kenya? Because Sweet Juicy Mama wants some gold.
Yeah, it's the close to the Kenya-Tanzanian border.
Really?
Yeah.
So how much that necklace cost you got on?
$1.
Shilling, yeah.
Yeah, shilling. Okay. No problem. So we got our little river out there that you can go swimming or fishing. There's like tilapia in there, catfish, and crab legs.
So you're gonna expand all the way to the river?
Yeah, so nobody could get behind us. So when you come back and we like celebrate your birthday or something, nobody could come in and say the music's too loud. So we can turn it up real loud. Now, once, now again, we're not residing out here. We do have people out here staying, but when we move out here, it'll be into that. And so we're commuting back and forth and stuff. So, no, from a place called Cursorine, which is about like 30 minutes away. I think Bonjour is probably 45 minutes away, right? From here. Yeah. Okay. So that's what's going on, guys. So if y'all want to, let's head on back this way here. We can head on this way.
Finally, I'm so happy.
Yes. Yes, finally. African in the house. I'm still, oh, okay, you still got it back there. I'm like, I'm still talking into this thing. And I'm like, wow. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, sweet mama. That they ever shut our channel down. We want to put back there, I forgot to say back there, I think I talked to you about that before. In that left corner back there, we want to put up Bagger Studios, where we do our own little, you know what I'm saying, movies and stuff, African talent, you know what I'm saying?
And have tigers sneak in.
African tigers, come on in, there you go. And so that's where we want to go, because I don't know why I get this vibe that they're going to try to shut this channel down. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, normally when I get that vibe, it's coming. Yeah. And I start making precautions. So when it does happen, guess what? I anticipate it. I'm still a step ahead. Right. And so when we open this up back here, it's basically the same thing that YouTube is, except for it's, you know, .com, and we control it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Awesome. Yep. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. Stand a step ahead, bro. Up under this tent if y'all want to and relax a little bit. Are you guys thirsty? Want some water? Yeah. Okay, then. I'll fetch y'all some water once we take a seat up under this tent.
We came out here to work, but
yeah, man. We was about the water. I ain't gonna need more water now. No, so if these plants died, then I'm coming looking for you, African tigers and happy companion. I'm coming looking for y'all.
Huh? I love plants, and plants love me, so they're going to be good.
Thank you, then. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys, y'all can take a little spot right here. Yeah, the dogs. Let me run and get some bottles of water. You want to?
All right.
I really appreciate it.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
You really surprised us.
I'm so
Take care. I will see you next time.
Yes.
All right.
But it was a great surprise.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice
Nice meeting you.
Yes.
We'll see you again, okay?
All right,
Yes,
then.
we will.
Anytime, guys. You know where we at.
We still have dinner?
Yes.
Yeah. So we got your number.
You want to go.
We got your number. We'll just call and see what time is good for y'all.
When I'm available.
Okay, yeah. You let us know when you're available. Then.
All right.
Long Beach accent.
Thank you. We love you guys. And
Love you
thanks
too.
so much.
Thank you, sister. Thank you. Bye. No problem. Anytime. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, so
nice.
that was it. It was a beautiful day at Bag. They are very jovial people.
Really are. Yeah.
Happy people. I'm so happy. I really wanted to visit them, you know?
They're nice. They're nice people.
And thanks to
TAC, the Happy Companion, Eastside Long Beach. What's cracking like?
all right, Kwaheri.
Cool 9 to 10.
Yeah.